So, what is in as far as the general accounting principle is concerned, they have designed a going concern concept also. The entity will continue to operate in the future. Let us see what are the assumptions made in the going concern concept. The assumption that ordinary situations and entity persist. This notion implies when companies' existing resources will be used to fulfill the business needs of the company rather than to be sold. So this is the first criteria. Second, if the continuity of an entity is in doubt, then the liquidation approach of balance sheet is taken and the assets and the liabilities are valued if the entity were liquidated in near future. Means, for example, what I am saying that if a John is the name of person who is having a company, who is having two companies. For example, one company is of a gas station, another is of samjo coffee shop, right? Now these are two entities. One is of coffee shop, another is of gas. Say if you assume that coffee shop is going to be closed, or it is going to be liquidated because we are not earning as much as profit what we were expecting in coffee shop, but gas shop is going to work. Now in going concern concept, what happens is that instead of closing coffee shop, the resources which are available in coffee shop are to be applied in gas shop. So this here the entities continue to work, but still the resources are being used in despite of closing that coffee shop. The resources, existing resources which are used in another entity, is nothing but the going concern concept. We'll see what are the terms. Here record fixed assets as original cost and depreciate over a period of time. First is nothing but we have to record the fixed assets at original cost and depreciate over time. For example, if there is a coffee shop and here is what is a gas station. Now coffee shops fixed assets are to be recorded in gas station and it has to be depreciated over a period of time because you are using the resources which are of coffee shop. Second, take prepaid expenses as assets. If you have already made some expenses, then you can take it as assets. Third, business is concerned with the net income or earning capacity as compared to that of market value. So business is always concerned with the net income or earning capacity as compared to that of market value. Now what is generally accepted accounting principle and the basic concepts? This is the third form, material convention. We'll be looking in the upcoming slide to come.